My name is Miriam Mukamba. I'm the coordinator of the NGO WASH Forum in Zambia. The NGO WASH Forum joined SWA because we noticed that SWA has a lot of benefits that our organization as well as our country could derive. SWA places emphasis on partnerships, and that's one of our focus areas at the NGO WASH Forum, the collaboration among stakeholders in our country. So we felt that was a benefit for our organization. In our country, we have different partners in WASH who are doing different things, but we felt that bring these partners together is actually of benefit, because then we realize that we can work together and achieve the similar goals. Just recently, the NGO WASH Forum held a stakeholders meeting. That was sometime in August this year, and we brought stakeholders from different sectors where we were discussing the commitments that were made by our government in Washington, high-level commitments. And we at this meeting we discussed what has been achieved in terms of commitments and what has not been achieved. And it was good because stakeholders were all there and they actually realized that this is what we are supposed to work on and what is needed to be achieved. Plans were put across at that meeting. So we feel that Sanitation Water for All has helped us build up these partnerships, bring up stakeholders together and discuss WASH activities. Okay, for Zambia, for the 2014 preparatory meeting, we've looked at the commitments that were done in 2012 and taken stock of those commitments that have not been achieved or the ones that are partially achieved. And we are trying to come up with new commitments for 2014, which incorporates those other commitments that were not achieved. But what we want to do is to narrow down the commitments to quite a few commitments that address the different challenges that we have in water and sanitation. So preparatory meetings are there. Stakeholders from this meeting, we will go back and inform the others, stakeholders in the sector, especially UNICEF, CSO, and the government, because the government is represented here as well, and we'll come up with a plan, a series of maybe meetings on how we can try to develop the other commitments for 2014. SWA, I think, needs to align its activities with the MDGs, with the targets that have been made as regards the MDGs, because we are all trying to achieve a common goal. I mean, the MDGs aim to achieve universal access to water and sanitation, as well as SWA aims to achieve that as well, sanitation and water for all. That's what it stands for. So as we move through the years, as Sanitation Water for All, as partners of Sanitation Water for All, need to ensure that we align our activities to the MDG goals and try to achieve those.